What's up, Jooba people? Today we're learning to play Orange Sky by Alexi Murdoch. It goes like this. Let's just get the lyrics. Well, I had a dream, I stood beneath an orange sky. Pretty nice song. Just keeps going like that basically the whole song, and it's really nice to play. It's got these two nice chords most of the song, and then in the chorus it's basically da, 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 or the bridge. Where's the bridge? Let's just find it. Oh, but sister, you know I'm so weary, and you know, sister, my heart. Up until the point it goes back to C and F. Okay, so let's start learning it step by step. First of all, the chords. The chords are very easy, not complicated. You can download this PDF in the link in the description. Capo on the 2nd fret, kaboom. And then we're going to use the C/G chord, which looks like this. You regular C, but you have C with a G in the bass, which gives it a nice thick song. And he's got a bit of a hammer on there in the beginning. Anyway, you guys get the idea. And then F for the intro. We're gonna use the G as well, which we're gonna use this G and this F, but you can add the bass there as in this shape and leave this finger, and you get an F major 9, which you can hammer on to a regular F. Okay. Anyway, super inspiring song. Like, I really love this type of style of playing. It's a shuffle time, so we're gonna go down 16th note shuffle if I'm not mistaken. So it goes. The strumming goes down, down, down. And obviously very sparse. Justin Guitar's got a way of talking about this as sparse strumming. So you go down, 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 up, down, da, 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 da. Oh, sweet, what a song. You could also pick it like this. Down, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Down. You guys get the idea of this song. Pretty nice. Okay. Now let's go back to the scene. So now, okay, Orange Sky. Let's just go to the specific chord progression. So basically, the whole song you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're just gonna loop that. you could do some hammer-ons and pull-offs there to kind of make it funky. Okay, and then for the bridge, you could do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and ba-da-ba-da-ba. Got actually that note coming in there somehow, which is really nice touch there. It's like a C7 kind of thing. That would be B flat note. On the F, that would just be like F sus4. I learned this cool riff the other day. What a chain of hoochie when all the time with us, you know, down. Anyway, peace out, guys. Stay cool. Subscribe to Jooba School of Music and to all our other channels. You'll see them. Check the links in the description. Peace out, homies. Peace out. Awesome possum. See you later, alligators.